Two skiers stranded in a remote, treacherous area of the Oregon backcountry are safe tonight thanks to a multi-agency rescue. The Deschutes County Sheriff's Office search and rescue team got a call that two skiers were stranded high up on the South Sister just after 2:30 yesterday afternoon. One of the skiers was injured. The two men from Salt Lake City, ages 19 and 20, were spotted just after 5 in the evening near the south edge of the Lewis Glacier. The skiers were airlifted to safety by an Army National Guard helicopter and transported to St. Charles Medical Center for treatment.